Hey there! Today we have an interesting problem to tackle. Our user is experiencing data spillage into temp during query execution due to poor estimates. They have tried various solutions but are still facing issues. The query returns over 10,000 distinct records, making it a bit of a challenge. Let's dive in and see how we can help solve this problem. To address the data spill issue, the first step is to optimize the indexes on certain tables. By adding or modifying indexes on donor number and triage referral, we can potentially improve the cardinality estimates and reduce data spillage. These multi-column indexes can make a significant difference in query performance. Next, creating a view that combines data from donor number and configured donor number can help improve the accuracy of estimates. By structuring the view with the necessary filters and joins, we can create a more efficient query execution plan. To further enhance performance, creating a clustered index on the view can further optimize the data retrieval process. This clustered index will ensure that data is stored in a way that aligns with the query requirements, leading to better performance. In addition, adjusting the final joins in the query to utilize the index view with the NOEXPAND hint can help leverage the optimized data structure. This can improve query execution and reduce the likelihood of data spillage. As a last resort, the user can try allocating more memory to the server by using the option _grant_% = 1 into the end of the query. Increasing the percentage gradually until the issue resolves can help mitigate data spillage. In summary, by optimizing indexes, creating a view, refining joins, and potentially increasing server memory allocation, we can address the data spill problem and improve query performance. I hope this solution helps you with your query performance issues. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts. Keep querying efficiently, folks.